Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Yeah, you don't know say your girl Whitney.
You don't know say your boy Jessie.
Guys, and today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to our moms and to every other mom out there. Alright, we just want to start off with that. So guys, today we are going to be pulling pranks on both our moms.
Yep.
So with my mom, what we did was, what we're gonna be doing is she's been asking for some Alive like gummy vitamins, like 1-a-day women vitamins, some stuff like that for the longest. So we decided we're gonna get her the vitamins for her Mother's Day gift. We're gonna put it in a pretty little box and hand it over to her as her gift. But also we got her a real gift too, guys, but she's gonna get that last. So when she opens it, she's gonna see the vitamins, and then she'll see her other gift, her real gift. Then
she gonna get pranked.
And then for my second mom, which is his mom also, we are gonna get her, because she likes to smoke Newport Longs, we're getting her a box of Newport Longs as her Mother's Day gift, guys. But then we're gonna have her real gift, of course, under the bottom or in a different bag. We'll see.
She about to get got too.
Yep.
They both about to get got.
Get got. Stay tuned, guys.
Good guys, it's Whitney.
You irritating.
I have keys or something in my pocket. Hello.
Hello, mother.
Happy Mother's Day.
You just wake and come out. Hey, me wake me in the lie down wake, man. Only in there brushing your teeth and all of them sitting.
Babe, what is you doing? Why you being sneaky? Come on.
Go ahead, it's already recording.
Okay, well, why you ain't just put it on the tripod?
What tripod at?
Right here. Babe, come on. Put that down and let's do what we said we was gonna do. Come on now.
Come trick me.
No, we're not. We giving you a gift. It's Mother's Day.
It's alright, maybe we take it tricking.
Oh, what is? That sound like you don't want your gift.
No, me take it tricking.
It's no tricking.
Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Come on.
I'll give her gifts.
All right. Here you go. Happy Mother's Day, mommy.
Thank you.
Yep, you've been saying you wanted that for a while.
Yep. Go ahead. You got soup, so.
Show the camera.
What have been saying I want for a while?
You happy with your gift?
Yes, of course. Of course I am. I'm alive.
Well, you got what you wanted, right?
I know you guys was coming with some tricking.
That's not a trick. You said you wanted some women's gummies. That's what you got.
Thank you.
You don't give us no credit for listening
I
to
said
you?
thank you. What the hell? Oh my god.
You even got a chocolate bar. You ain't even gonna say thanks for that.
Sweetie and Jessie.
Here.
But so this
Read your card.
it's the woman carrying. And the woman on the video.
One like you can read.
No, you're going to hear it and read the card.
You know do what people do? I'll make them out.
Oh. Today is a day for honoring you.
Wait, you didn't read the prayer on the front?
What?
It's a prayer.
Oh. So I'm going to read all of this, Whitney?
Yes.
No, I'm going to have to read all of this. A special prayer for Mom. Thank you, Lord, for the gift of my mom, for her art, her joyful spirit, and her encouragement. Bless her in a special day for all the blessing she pour out on her family and many others. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
We can read.
All right, and then for your last gift. There you go.
Keep this. Definitely gonna keep this. You know my feet say them a prank me. Not in there. Yeah, you hear that shit with it. When you don't zoom in, Papi.
Me not zooming by your mommy.
You scared?
Whoop it now.
No.
Whoop it, man. Dun dun
scared.
dun 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 dun. The mystery box.
Jessie.
What's in there?
Jessie.
Open it. Open it. Dun 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 dun.
Oh.
It's money.
Ah. Thought you guys was coming with another drink. Thank you guys.
Someone jump over this one.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
And more down in there. Ooh, thank you.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you guys.
Did you know?
What?
You put ketchup. Alright.
What in the world is you doing?
You put salt on the ketchup. Did you know it heats it up?
What?
Did you know it makes it hot?
No.
Fill it.
What he do?
He said, yeah, you gotta wash your hands. Gotta wash your hands.
Wait, not make it hot, Jessie.
It's not hot.
Oh man.
That was what is that, babe?
You gotta wash your hands.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Her hair wet, y'all. Happy Mother's Day.
Oh my God, Jessie.
There you go.
Oh. Okay, Jessie. Oh, okay. Oh,
Aw, poor baby.
Got you.
Aw.
that's okay. Jessie.
Prank. Pranked. You said we couldn't prank you, right? Look at your face all wet.
Should have thought about this before I did that.
That's okay, Jessie.
How you gonna do my mama like that, Jessie?
I'll do it one more
Oh, come here, mama.
Get them both like that.
Ooh.
Say Mother's Day, please.
It's just closed. So
You gave her a fresh shower.
Yeah. I got me some.
Aren't you
money.
glad you didn't do your makeup yet?
Yeah.
Her reaction was so funny though. Real quick.
Let me turn this down. Alright guys, so we calling my mother-in-law.
Is it ringing?
It is. If she pick up, she probably cooking.
Please leave your message for
Mother's Day.
What up, what up, what up?
Did you see the video?
What's up, pal? None of these motherfuckers closing it up.
I be thinking y'all got that cat.
All right, ready?
You doing a photo shoot?
No, not yet.
In the house.
You ready?
Yep, go ahead. I should go open the gift.
It must be cold. Y'all be recording this shit.
Your first gift is at the top.
Another, your favorite thing.
This is a candy.
Ah, your favorite thing. You like it?
Yeah.
Look, she got that big ass mouth. She's like, yeah.
Other door.
That does supposed to be open anyway.
Y'all play too much.
How we play
Which
too
one?
much?
Happy Mother's Day, man.
Have Mother's Day. So you got that.
You don't
food.
want your candy bar? You just gonna pass over it like that?
That's it. What's next?
What we supposed to be grabbing?
They
just gonna be-
grill. Hey.
Oh,
Both of them grills.
What up,
That bag
y'all?
of food. That table right here.
Here, high five. There you go. Boom. Corona.
Y'all see that?
You gotta read it.
This ain't no dog, but I accept it. Yeah, this is it's supposed to be a dog up in that bag that I can carry. So I can carry like this, you know, the dog.
how you gonna fit a dog up in there? You gonna
You gotta read it.
Teacup.
You gotta read it.
Think up these girls while they don't grow.
Before you read it,
Throughout the years, you always show what love is all about. I mean, shit. Throughout the years, you always show what love is all about. Through kind and thoughtful things you said and done. You always give it so much of yourself and take the time to care. That's why you're such a wonderful mother, and why you're loved so much. Have a wonderful Mother's Day.
Aww, that's so sweet.
Not really.
Did you know if you put hot, what was it, salt on mustard? Let me see. Open it up real quick. Salt on mustard.
How's that? Y'all, somebody,
I like
You know
your
if you put
shoes.
salt on mustard, it gets hot.
You put it on his face.
why I have to wash my hands?
Wow.
Why?
Because it's all over there.
You gonna wash your face off.
I know.
What you going? Go ahead.
What?
What you trying to do?
What the heck is that?
Ain't none. Go wash your face off. What you trying to do?
Nothing. That was it. I got you. I was going to that one.
Yeah, no, anyway.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank y'all.
Look at his face.
This is the new outfit
Right.
that touched me.
Yeah, put it on. What y'all doing?
Nothing. It's just a Mother's
You got me
Day
already.
video.
What's gonna come out the second?
Nothing.
I'm watching y'all videos. I know it's something going on.
It's really nothing.
You want me to turn it on
How
first?
laughing? How hard you laughing?
Funny.
Yeah, turn the stick on. See? Exactly.
I don't even do that. I think I have my
She
coat
didn't
on.
fall for it. All right.